Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Sofia Malik. I'm delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you and share my views on the topic. The topic is school should be on alternate days or not. Well, I personally believe that school shouldn't be on alternate days. Alternate days. Because what I believe that we have a school. So what is the motive of the schools? What's the motive? To get education? And if we are going to school daily, so we are getting education. I agree that in some schools what happens that when the teacher come, they do not teach sometimes. But you know that when we are going to school, so it ups to us that how we are getting the advantages. Okay, are we taking benefits or not? If you are bunking the class, so it means that we are bunking the class, and in the classroom teacher is teaching, so it means we are bunking the class, so that's good. But if you are getting that what the teacher is telling to us, what the teacher is teaching to us, so that's not good. Of course that good, that's up to us that what we are doing in the schools. That's all.
Okay, as she told that students can make the most of it going to school regular, I would ask a question to you. Nowadays, we go to school regular, first shift, second shift. Students are to go to school regular. They are going. They have consistency. Okay, they are learning. They are habitual for learning. They have studied a lot. They have learnt a lot. They have consistency. Then why at the time of exams the students say to their coaching teachers, their tuition teachers, sir, we will not come to the tuition because we have exam. Sir, we will not be able to attend the debate because we have exam. Why? When we are going to school regular, we are habitual, we are learning the things, we are making most of that. Then why does it happen? Answer me.
Because you know that all the students are not going to school regularly, first of all, and second, if they are going, so you know that what they are doing in the schools, they are not listening the teacher, that what the teacher is teaching to you, they are not trying to listen them, they are not trying to understand the things.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay, let me first of all, you know that in those students who have completed 12th standard, okay, now what they are doing, they are preparing for NEET, they are preparing for IIT, they are preparing for JEE, and they are not getting the marks. It could be that they are doing but they are not getting, but it could be that they have so many days to study but they are not studying. Okay, like you are saying that
But
if
this
we
can
get
also
time,
happen that
so
they
we
have
will
not days to
revise.
study. Listen, you count some possibilities that why students are not getting the selection in JEE NEET. Why? This is the possibility. This can be also the possibility that they do not have time to study. They are,
Why they
means
do not
listen,
have time to
after the
study?
12th class, while suppose this year I am in 12th class,
Yeah.
so I can give the NEET exam. But I have not seen a single person in my area. He is in 12th class. He gave NEET exam and he got the selection. Why? Why?
For
Why? The reason is he does not get the time for preparation. The reason is he does not get time to do the revision, because in NEET we do not have to just answer the 11th and 12th questions. From 6th to 12th, all the science, SST and all the things come.
you
So
know
we
that
have to
we
focus on
have
that.
time.
Can this be done in a year? Of course not. You will find students who crack UPSC, who crack JEE. They study for a year. They have been studying for last 2 years, 3 years. Okay, it's not like that. In one go they clear. There are rare chances. First, okay, speak.
Okay, so you know that yeah, according to them what they want, this school shouldn't be exist. And according to me, according my opponents, what they are saying that school shouldn't be, but school should be. If we are going to school, so you know that we are getting everything, and we are getting time of revision also, if we manage all the time on the time. That's all.
Listen, first of all, I would like to clear this misconception of this team, that we think there should not be any schools. We don't want to study. We want to be yokel forever. Nothing like this we want. First, second, and means school is the place where we learn how to be friend with the people. We learn teamwork. We learn how to cramming the things, how to learn the things. Many things we learn. So we are saying nowadays the environment of the school has changed. It's not time to study regular. We should change the things with the passage of the time. It's not time to learn the regular. If you go regular, so that's not possible.
And as my Rehan brother, he was mentioning that in something in the video, you have seen that Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is a missile man, he said that
Bhimrao Ambedkar.
APJ Abdul Kalam, so sorry. APJ Abdul Kalam. So he said in his video that sometimes it's better to bunk the class. You said sometime. Sometime it's better to bunk the class, but you know that if you are doing continuously that thing, so definitely it will ruin yourself.
Okay. I would ask just one question. I would like to ask. Means in 9th class, 10th class, 11th class, I studied government. Okay, I am in government. I have some students in my classroom. They bunk the school. Okay, they do not come to school regular. But however, we are told that if you have not 75% attendance, you will not be able to give the exam. But they give. Why? If there is nothing, there is no importance of means present and absent attendance, then why are we told this thing? First. Second thing, students, you will find that students who bunk the school, they will be more happy, and then the person who is just keep working hard, he is just going to
So
tuition,
is-
they will be happy. Why?
You know why the school teachers, why they say
Because
to
they
us,
create the memories.
because they want that you come to school, because they want that you understand.